Welcome back, folks. Another cooking show for you. Pork chops over rice and mushroom soup. We're not sponsored by any of these products. We're gonna use Uncle Ben's original rice because it's one of the best. It's the best. April says, and one of the best of rice. And we got mushroom soup, 1 can, and we got some pork chops. We're gonna time to cook for the kids. We're gonna use some oil too. We're not sponsored by any of these products. We're gonna start with the rice first, cause that takes longer. Takes 20 minutes. All right, I'll get the rice prepared and I'll get back to you. We're gonna put 4 cups of water. 1 of 2 cups. And this is 2 cups of water that makes 4 cups of water. 4 cups of water. And we're gonna put two cups of Uncle Ben's. Oh, the water has to boil. Avril says. Michael and Avril style. These videos are educational to me also. Yeah, we'll get our water boiled. We'll start with our rice, with our pork chop and rice, because our rice takes longer. It takes 20 minutes. We'll get our 4 cups of water to a boil. All right, folks, our 4 cups of water came to a boil. We're gonna put two spoons of butter, 2 spoons of butter, 1, 2, and then we're gonna put some salt. 1, like a tablespoon of salt, like a tablespoon of salt for flavor. There's our tablespoon. 1 of these, little bit salt. All right, now we're gonna put our Uncle Ben's rice in. Uncle Ben's rice. We're not sponsored by any of these products we're using today. We're cooking for the kids, cooking for 7. So 1, 2. We'll stir it and cover it. And we'll turn it down to 7. And we'll let it boil for 20 minutes. First time using this, folks. You can just use a regular pot. A regular pot and use a cover and work with it till it's 20 minutes is done. All right, continuing on. We'll start on the pork chop as soon as our rice is done. All right, actually, folks, while this is cooking, we're gonna start on our pork chops. You want to put a splash of oil, and then we're gonna put our pork chops, 2 Michael and Abel style.
This is for us, so you can put a lot of salt and pepper, and then you can put some, like, out of these. See, we bought this one, pork. See?
Pork?
Yeah.
Okay, pork. You could whatever sauce.
Turn this over though. Get the oily, so the flavor.
So
will
stick
stick.
it.
Yeah.
Okay, I knew that.
Oh, you didn't. Then wash your hands from the macros.
Yeah, right there.
Now some salt and pepper.
And some pepper.
Salt.
And some salt. We'll use some pink salt.
Himalayan.
For flavor, folks.
But you're gonna get that nice and brown.
Yeah, we'll brown in it.
Probably 5 minutes each side.
And we got our pressure cooker on this side. Our Uncle Ben's rice. We're not sponsored by any of these products. we're using today.
You could use steamer.
It's the first time we're using this pressure cooker since Jim gave us.
I love it already. You can cook your potatoes and really good.
Once it turns high, you got it up high, you turn it down.
No, I cook it down.
No, but it's be very hot. Just a little, one down. We can turn it up. You work with it. Yeah. You always watch it cooking, up, down, and then if it's too high, yeah. All right, continuing on. The meal's coming along. Pork chops over rice.
No, that was mushroom soup.
With mushroom soup. All right, folks. Our pork chops are done. They're golden brown. Oh, we'll turn it down a little. Woohoo! Cooking. Cooking with Micheal Needle style.
Damn. Damn.
We're using the for flavor. All this stuff. The grease and that. We'll put the mushroom soup in.
I'm using the golden nuggets.
And we're putting some water in. About 3/4 cup of the soup. Oh, about a can of the soup can.
Yeah, oh yeah. Think that's good?
Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah, a little bit.
You know?
Yeah, that's good. Oh,
yeah, put that in
look
there.
at how golden brown it is. That pork chops.
Melt in your mouth, Michael?
Melt in your mouth, folks. Look at that. I created this recipe. Naval style. Yeah. Micheal Naval style. Look at that. We'll mix up this. Yeah, it's coming in. Look, oh, we used the bottom of the gravy.
Don't scrape your pan like Michael with the steel.
Okay, that'll be educational. It's been 15 minutes.
So 5 minutes.
Uncle Ben.
5 minutes. Let these flavors marry for 5 minutes. When they're done in 5 minutes, they'll be both done, ready to plate.
And we'll put our rice with it.
No, we put the rice here and then put it on top of it, not with it.
Okay, yeah. We'll put our rice down on our plate. Then we'll put our mushroom soup on there. So 10 minutes to cook the pork chops, and then another 5 minutes for the soup. All right, the meal's coming along. Pork chops and mushroom soup on rice. Very delicious. Hope it brings value to your kitchen. Continue. Melt in your mouth. Look at that. Uncle Ben's rice steaming for 20 minutes. Whoa. 10 for the pork chops and 5 for the mushroom soup. Melt in your mouth. Oh, very delicious. I'm going to faint. Awesome. All right, folks. The meal's done. We're gonna shut it off. All right. And we're gonna push this button here. You push it forward.
I don't know how to
and
work
turn it. I'm holding the camera at the same time. Yeah, 20 minutes. Our Uncle Ben rice.
Wow.
Yeah. Oh, pop and throw it on. Yeah. Now to put on her. Puts on the pork chop.
Yeah.
Whoa. She's gonna get all that juices on there, melt in your mouth.
Don't faint, Michael. Don't faint.
Oh, I won't try not to. I'm getting dizzy. I want to plate the first plate though.
That's mine.
What? Wow, look at that juices.
A little bit of mushroom soup. This and that.
Oh yeah. I make my own plate, I guess. Look at that, folks. The meal is good. All right, folks. The meal is done. Pork chops with mushroom on rice. Oh, I'll try some. It's cooled down a little. Oh, look at that. Our rice and real meals in real homes. Mmm. You could have a spoon, fork, knife. Oh my. This is, I didn't had Uncle Ben's rice for a long time. Tastes good. Forgot how it tastes.
Yeah, it's so good, eh?
Yeah, it is. I could taste it.
Did you shut this off?
Yeah, we're gonna try some pork chops now, folks. We'll get the, you can taste the spices for them from the juices from the pan. Right there, look. Mushroom soup on it. Mmm. With some rice. Mmm. Oh, I'm fainting. Oh, very delicious, melting in your mouth. One more bite for you folks. Yeah, cooking for 7. Hope you enjoyed this video of our pork chops and mushroom soup and rice. Hope it brings value to your kitchen. Thank you. Bye for now. Oh, very good. Delicious. Melt in your mouth. Mmm. Mmm. Time to cut some wood now. All right, bye.